wrong?
Stop.
I swear to God, you just crossed the line. You're very lucky I don't hit women.
But I can. Yes. It's only a badly raised child that will raise a hand on a man. How dare you? How dare you?
Come on, girlfriend, go girl. I support you on this one. See, some people know sabi say some girls may be calm, but you don't ever joke with your man. Like, if you want to see how calm a girl is, if you want to see if a girl has worry in her head, please go near her man. Now, exactly what is Sonia Uche no display for this movie? Hello, how dare you raise your hands on my man? Like, are you okay? Oh, these two people don't come again. Oh, where are my Sonia lovers? Make una come front. Another Tori don't land though. This time around, this one was Booze. Hello. When I say Sonia, you say Sam. When I say Uche, you say Maurice. I don't drop another one. Make una come forward. Make una watch. This storyline is everything and more. Make I play and make you self watch.
All these things really see me what the follow man up and down. And just make her for figure that the money they pay her. No besides they enjoy the lifestyle, the thing don't tire me safe. But I supposed to pay her my money before I come out.
How in heaven's name did your aunt owe her 9.5 million naira?
Bros, the first money na 10 million. It's a man to the owe. So this 9.5 now that the interest really on top.
She's obviously using you.
She get power now. Me, I don't get anybody who won't help me. So now just to gather the money, pay her, me for giving me my freedom.
I can tell you one thing for sure. She's not giving you any freedom. I heard stories about people like this.
So process I won't come to.
We have to beat her at our own game.
I want to do.
I'll figure something out.
Okay.
What's all this?
My name is Desmond. Sugar is my friend.
What don't concern me?
I've been informed about how you're extorting her and other young girls around here. I want Sugar out.
Sugar no tell say she dey owe me. Sugar owe me 9.5 million. As we dey talk, it go soon reach 10 million. So if you want make Sugar come out here, pay the money now.
I cannot thank you enough, Desmond. Thank you so much.
You've thanked me 1,000,000 times, Sugar.
I prefer you call me Chinonso Mata.
Sugar sounds just fine, actually.
I honestly can't even believe that I'm free after all these years. Thank you so much.
Yeah, and I'm glad I could help.
Thank you. I'll be returning to Jos. That's where my parents have their little home. I'll just go there and then pick up myself and see what I can do.
I'm glad you have plans.
Thank you once again for looking beyond my flaws and standing by me. I'm really grateful.
You're welcome.
And I pray you find happiness.
Yeah, I have. Actually, I found someone who makes me happy. Someone who makes me laugh. Someone who is always there for me. Whenever I'm around her, I feel safe. I feel like I don't have anything to worry about. And I just hope she feels the same way about me.
You're a good man, and I'm hopeful she will too.
Sonia, you are the chosen one. You are the one his heart yearns for. You are the true queen of this guy's heart. Can't you see? He wants you. He wants more than just being a screen couple. Maurice Sam is in love with you. All he wants is your love. He wants you to love him. He wants you to see beyond acting, Sonia. Maurice Sam is in love with you. Make una take this thing to the next level now. Make una stop to dey starve me. I beg. Make una stop to dey serve us so we don't tire. We don't tire, Kwano. I mean, my people waiting on that thing.